This one my girl Dorcia. This what it is. Yeah. Should I take a beat like this and make it feel what I've been through? Should I take a beat like this and make it feel what I've been through? Should I take a beat like this, shit it in its fucking face, then tell it go down the toilet like a fucking waste? I am in my fucking lane. Fuck it, what is up with Hang? I don't understand, it's like he's going ham. Sucker him. He don't understand my flow is going under him. I will clutch out comes his plunder them. And I rock like I got thunder them. I feel like a cat with thunder them. Claws on my back and they running over my head like I'm Freddy, but yo Mo, I'm dead. I can see it, I can say what I say. I got the beat down pat and it's here for today. I got it wrapped, it's a ran, ready to hit the man. Yes, he DJing and the party is real. The party is live. Got my niggas from back then sitting like got that nigga in the visit. They don't understand. I'm under no take no visit. Is it? And I am the shitty. Yes, I just shitty. But I'm not gonna sit here and really try to admit it. My style has been hated. I know it got acquitted. Judge said, damn, this nigga cold. Get with it. And I am not that nigga that's gonna keep quitting. Yes, I rock my hats. They like fitted idiots. 59 50s, 44 40s. And that's the nigga up in Turner like, oh lordy, somebody about to die. Somebody getting hit. I got to keep up with it. Somebody get. This what you get with this. You get a whole lot. You got some money, take it down. You buy a whole pot. And it's Saran again. We got Saran rappers. We got a whole bunch of Saran like star jappers. Yeah, they stand on stage like star rappers. And we got our own style. So niggas start clapping. We ain't talking clapping. We talking hand smacking. That's what it is. J Mo the Biz. I'm front and swagging. No swagger on my jacker. No jacker on my quagger. I am the icer licer. You niggas on lagger.